Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we want to design a beautiful house together. And let's think and learn the name of colors together.
Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock. The clock struck 3. Fiddly-dee. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Good job! Let's start coloring. Orange,
Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck 5. She went to her hive.
green,
Dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the hen pecked at the clock.
don't forget to like and subscribe.
Little snakes. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Red,
Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1. The mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck 2.
yellow,
Away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
blue,
Hickory dickory dock,
violet,
the dog barked at the clock. The clock struck 3. Fiddly-dee. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bear sat by the clock. The clock struck 4. He ran out the door. Hickory dickory dock.
Now we make the painting beautiful with magic.
Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck 5.
Please like and subscribe my channel.